Boy, oh boy, is it a great day because, Jackie, we can head over to the Great Day Solo soundstage. Look who's there.
We continue to get into the holiday spirit, and we do so this morning on the Great Day Solo stage with Hannah Bird. Good morning.
Hi, Hannah. Good morning. Hello. How's it going?
Very, very well, and you are doing very well. You have a holiday album, don't you?
I do, Believe. Yep, we just released it just Friday, and I have a concert on the 29th, so.
This is going to be a whole lot of fun. We're talking some of the greatest holiday songs of all time. And folks, if you want a sample of what we're talking about, Hannah, if you're ready, we are.
All right, let's go. I'll be home for Christmas. Christmas, you can count on me. Please have snow and mistletoe and presents under the tree. Christmas Eve will find you find me where the love light gleams. I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dreams. If only in my dreams. If only in my dreams.
Hannah Bird, brand new album. It is called Believe. This is how you get the album, ladies and gentlemen, the CD, whatever you want to get. Emmitsburg is where she is based out of. Get right to her. How did you pick the songs for this album?
Well, me and my mom, actually, we all just kind of sat down and we thought, you know, what do we love to listen to? You know, what do we usually put in the CD player? And so, actually, and I have Rhythm of Bethlehem is on, and my cousin Beth, she wrote it for me, so that's kind of an original song. So, yeah.
That's one in there too. That's the one that has all the lyrics.
Yeah,
inside
right, exactly.
the sleeve.
Yes.
That is so cool. Well, do you have time to do another song for us?
I sure do. Rocking Around the Christmas Tree.
Oh, awesome.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see, every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with boughs of holly. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see, every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone's dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone's dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.
Hannah Bird, that's from her brand new album, Believe. And again, if you want to get this, just get a hold of her in Emmitsburg, and that's the simplest way to get a copy of this album. Also, we just checked out your Facebook page, young lady. I do like your picture that you have on your Facebook page. Look at that. Is that
There we go.
Yeah.
That is very cool. Well, thank you so much. Now, you mentioned your show. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your show coming up?
On the 29th, it's a Sunday, and so after Thanksgiving, if you're feeling like getting the holiday spirit going, come to Emmitsburg at the shores of Five Island from 4 to 6, and we'll all chit chat and mingle and sing some Christmas songs. And if you like it, maybe buy a CD.
Yeah, you'll have plenty there, correct?
Yes, a lot of them there. So
That is great. Well, thank you so much for coming over. Really appreciate it.
thank you for having me.